Hello everyone, welcome back to my English learning channel. Today's topic is the power of what? One of the most important question words in English. Learn all its forms in one video. We use what every day when we talk, when we ask, when we want to know something. But do you know how many different ways we can use it? In this video, we will explore what all, what else, what kind, what color, what date, what time, and many more. So, stay with me till the end. You are going to learn something very useful today. The basic what. We use what to ask for information about something. It's one of the most common WH words in English. Examples: what's your name? My name is Anu. What are you doing? I am recording a YouTube vlog. What's your favorite subject? My favorite subject is English. Second one, what time? To ask about time. Examples, what time is it now? It's 6:30. What time does the train leave? It leaves at 8:30. What time do you go to bed? I go to bed at 10 o'clock. Part 3. What date? To ask about the date. Examples, what date is your birthday? My birthday is on 10th March. What date is the meeting? The meeting is on 15 November. What date is your exam? My exam is on 20th December. Fourth one, what color? To ask about color. Examples, what color is your car? My car is blue. What color do you like most? I like white. What color is your school uniform? My school uniform is light blue and white. Fifth one, what kind or what sort? To ask about type or category. Examples, what kind of music do you like? I like classical music. What sort of food do you enjoy? I enjoy spicy food. What kind of movies do you watch? I watch action movies. What else? To ask for something additional. Examples, what else do you need? I just need a notebook. What else did you buy? I bought some fruits and vegetables. What else do you want to learn today? I want to learn about what all. Seventh one, what all? To ask for all the items or details together. Examples, what all did you buy from the market? I bought rice, vegetables, fruits, and milk. What all topics are there in the exam? Grammar, writing, and vocabulary. What all do you need for your trip? I need clothes, money, and some medicines. Eighth one. What for? To ask about reason or purpose. Examples. What is this tool for? It's for cutting wood. What are you studying for? I'm studying for my exam. What are you doing? What are you waiting for? I am waiting for my friend. Ninth one. What if? To ask about an imaginary or future situation. What if it rains tomorrow? Then we will stay at home. What if I fail the test? Don't worry, you can try again. What if you miss the bus? I will take an auto. Let's test your understanding. Fill in the blanks with the correct word phrase. Dash time do you get up? Dash color is your bag. Dash if you forget your homework. Dash else do you want to eat? Dash all subjects do you study? So, friends, what may look like a small word, but it can make your questions powerful, clear, and meaningful. Use these different forms of what in your daily conversations and see how your English becomes more natural. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.